So it is the season where temperatures are starting to come down. And for us, at least here where we live, we start to see more bugs coming out, which is awesome. I love mosquitoes and stuff like that because, for one, they can get in the house, which I hate. Number two is if you want to go spend any time outside because you got limited time, then they're just all over you, especially once it starts getting a little darker at night and cooler. And because we have a fair bit of property out back, and because our summer has been ridiculously rainy, we're seeing a lot more mosquitoes and bugs and things like that than we normally do. So, luckily for me, these folks here sent over this modern, I don't want an old one, modern bug zapper mosquito trap indoor 3-in-1 electric mosquito killer. So indoor, now I don't know, if you could use this outdoors, because that kind of looks outdoory, sort of like where they have it placed. I'm sure you could. Oh, it does say suitable for outdoors, right? Or upright for indoors. Well, we're gonna give it a little try in both. So we'll show you what comes in the box, and then I'm gonna take it outside and use it for a couple nights, inside, outside, and we'll see how it does. This right now, this is on Amazon US, $90. It's got one rating, 5 stars. So let's call it as it is. It's only one rating. But UV light, yep, double strong attractants, 360 degrees, 2000 volt, I guess, electric grids, cool, low maintenance, yep, awesome, metallic modern design. I like the modern design. You just want it to look sweet, because if it's just killing things, it might as well look good doing it. Yes? Right. Anyways, this is the box, and it kind of came a little beat up. I'm gonna say it, a little beat up. Now again, I don't know if this is the way it started its trek, but it is the way it ended its trek. It was looking like this. So just kind of, as long as it works, I guess, right? So what does it say? Attract, trap, and kill flying insects, including mosquitoes, gnats, fruit flies, moths, no-see-ums, I don't know what that is, and more. Bug zapper. Yep. Okie dokie. That's it. You guys are seeing the goodness. So I was gonna open it up there, but this box is gonna make it difficult. Yeah, because this box is not in great shape. The bonus is it's not gonna look any different once I get it out. So that is the manual. It's a large manual, very large. There's not really any there's if this, okay, oh, it folds out one more. There, now it's a large. Okay, cleaning, analysis, instructions. I'm guessing it's like a little cleaning brush to get all the goopy goops out of there so you don't have to touch it. And you get a bug zapper. You get a bug zapper. See, it's in a box that's all bent now. So, concerning? Maybe. My hope for you is you get a box that's not like this. That's my hope for you. Yeah. Okie dokie. Ready? We'll put it over here. The reveal. Yes? The reveal. Oh. Modern. I don't know. I guess it's modern. But it does say, it said, oh, I guess what they're saying is that if you have a hangy dealy, because they have it, I don't understand this part. This is the part, see this picture here, right there? See that? There's a little, where is it? Where did it go? There's a little band thing right at the top there where it hangs. Do I have a, oh, I do. See? It's just right there. Aha. Now, if you want, you can hang it. Okay. All right. So let's put that there. Let's put it a little closer, I guess. You guys, it's focusing on you. Ready? Let's see if this can power it. Ready? This cable's in your way. My fault. I got a beep. I got a beep. We'll put maybe this way. We got a beep. We got a power button. It feels like cool air. Now I can't tell if that air is like sucking in or if it blows out or if it's like for cooling. Now this also bends depending on how you want it, I guess. Not 100% sure. Now, what I do like about this one, and it's more so than the other ones, especially if you have like pets and things like that, it's got a pretty good, I want to say, cage around it, you know? So this cage allows it so that if you drop this or bang this, or if you have cats or dogs and they want to play with it, you know, they're not going to be able to get in to the point where they can touch the electric grid on it, right? Off. Is that it? Just off and on? I'm guessing off and on. Seems like it. But what I am noticing, am I noticing it? I was like, where's the blue? Where's the blue? That's the question. Is there more buttons on this? No, there's the fan. Where is the blue? Off. On. Oh, maybe you have to hold it when you turn it on. Now we got lights, right? Because check this out. If I just tap it, oh, now it comes on. That makes more sense. I don't know why I had to turn it off and then back on again. Anyways, it's working now. Okay. So just in case you turn it on and you're like, where's the blue light? Maybe just do what I did and just turn it off and back on. Tech support, right? Tech support. Reboot. All right. Anyways, that's it. I do like the way it looks. The fan is really quiet. Now just realize the fans are usually almost always quiet when you get a product like this and it's new because everything's clean. Once it gets a little more gummy, which I'm guessing, like they say, is what this is for. I guess this would come apart somehow. You know, turn it off, maybe. Turn it off. There's the off button. There's my off button. This would come apart somehow. Yes, maybe this side. I don't know. Because you have to be able to get in there to be able to clean all the bug juice. The bug gunk. Because you got this, which is lovely for cleaning, right? You can do cleaning like so, but we need to be able to get into it. Anyways, I'm going to take this upstairs. We always have like little fruit flies, stuff like that in the kitchen. So I'm going to put it there, see how it does over the next couple days. And then we'll take it outside one night, or even maybe up at the front of the house. Because the front of the house at night, we get some pretty big bugs that want to come in the house is what they want. So we'll set that up and we'll check in with you in a couple days. Okay, so it's been, I don't know, maybe a week, 10 days, and we've had this bug zapper running. Primarily, we've actually had it running in the kitchen because a few things. Since we were gone on holidays, that's normally when we seem to come back to the house and we have an abundance of fruit flies because maybe there was something somewhere that, just went bad or whatever it was. Doesn't matter. And then you're like, oh, not this time. So we actually have it sitting up above the sink because, again, that's just the area which seems to have the most moisture in the kitchen, which, again, is one of the areas that we seem to get the majority of things like fruit flies. No fruit flies. So that's excellent. And I have to say, my wife actually, she didn't even know I put it up there. And then she was in the kitchen and she's like, what's this? And I'm like, it's a bug zapper. And she's like, is it on? I'm like, yeah, because again, it is ridiculously quiet. It is so quiet. It's probably one of the quietest ones that we've ever tried. Now, we did have it outside. It got a lot of bugs. I haven't, again, opened it, but I did just shake the bugs out in the garbage, which was fine. And then it came indoors and it's been sitting there because for us, that's probably the best place for it. I do think if we were having people over, possibly, We have a little sitting area outside, and the bugs do start to get bad, of course, once the temperature starts to go down. So I do think we would just bring it outside, sit it on our table, because again, it's really quiet, and it seems to do a really good job, at least for our needs. So is it worthwhile? Well, if you have some bug issues, it can't hurt. So go on the Amazon. I'll have links down below. Try it out. We like it. It's something that will keep running. Nobody likes bugs. Kill them dead. Use a bug zapper. This one seems to work. Indoor and outdoor. That's a real perk. And that's it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Hit that little notification bell. Let me know if you guys use a bug zapper or what you use. I know these ones work really well indoors, which again is what we'll be using it. But I would like to know if you guys use anything for outdoors, because these are great for bugs that fly into it, but you're still going to get that, bugs around you. Yes. What do you guys use for preventing bugs from just coming in and around your sitting area outside? That's what I'm looking for next. So leave comments down below if you guys have any ideas. We have citronella like tiki torches, and they work decently, but I would like something maybe a little better. All right, guys. Again, links down below, and we'll see you guys next video. Later.